The Blackmagic Pyxis has finally arrived. Forgive me in advance, I'm shooting this video all off one camera, my Osmo Pocket 3 from DJI, as currently sold all my equipment. Dumb. But anyway, I'm gonna switch this to be the overhead cam and we'll go ahead and dig into the unboxing of this beautiful camera. Let's get into it. So here we go. Unboxing the Blackmagic Pyxis for 6K. The world's most riggable full-frame digital cinema camera, so they say. Really nice details just going over this camera. There's already so much information out there regarding the specifications. I won't bore you with it. Let's go ahead and just get this thing out of the box. All right. So the first thing that we see is a welcome card from Blackmagic, some stickers, DaVinci Resolve Studio 18.5, okay, and then SSD holder plate, which is made out of plastic, but has some rubber grooves here. I didn't notice that in the initial bit. Velcro straps, nice, and then the 4 screws to install that is inside. I'll move that out of the way. And let's see, over here to the left, we have, let's see, looks like a lens support strap, I think, or some extra Velcro straps for the SSD holder. All right. Ooh. A wall DC charging block for the camera, and then some adapters to go for it. It's the locking 2-pin charging adapter. And then really the only adapter that I'm interested here would be the US one. Yep, allowing me to slide it in like such. Cool. And that's all that's in that box. All right. Whew. And here is the main attraction. Ooh, that feels good. Ooh. I'll move the box out of the way. Yeah, so this is the Pyxis 6K. It has rubber feet on the bottom there so that, you know, it's fine if you set it on a desk without some tripod feet. You have the side plate that is interchangeable. You can swap that out with whatever you desire. Mounting holes all over this thing, as you can see. Side screen, autofocus button, screen lock button. I have to say, everything on this feels really solid, really nice. And then you have that nice L-mount adapter in the front here, which is sweet. Ooh, that is a big sensor. I gotta say, this thing is woo. It looks nice. Then you have all of your ports in the back here, the microphone, headphone jack, 2 CFast express card slots, which I've never used particularly myself, a BPU battery that you can attach, BPU batteries in there, your on-off switch, a USB-C port that you can utilize for storage, 2 SDI ports, one's out, one is in. Then you have an Ethernet port as well as a 12-volt port that you could utilize to power this from the wall adapter. So sweet. I have to say, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be looking at the videos that were posted online. Initially, I thought this was gonna be something in terms of size compared to this Aorus gaming box or whatnot, this eGPU that is humongous. But as you can see, this thing is by no means the size of this eGPU, and it's actually incredibly smaller than that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this thing some power. Let's see, all right. And I'll flip the on switch to on, and I can hear the fans kick in immediately. And sweet, there goes the screen. I'll hit OK for English, and wow. Yeah, this screen is by far the smallest Blackmagic screen that I've seen on any of their cameras. It really is drastically smaller than the 5-inch touchscreen that you may be used to. But yeah, let's see, menu. There goes all of your options, you know, whether you go with constant quality or constant bitrate. You go through monitor, and this is gonna be your typical Blackmagic menu system, so I won't bore you there. But yeah, there you have it, folks. That's everything that comes in the box. Stay tuned, as I will be posting future videos regarding mounting different things onto this camera and just rigging this out for a studio content creation setup, even though that isn't the primary use case of this camera. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like, help this channel get to 1K subs, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.